Okay, open up, say ah.
I would definitely recommend working at the jail because it's a big variety. You can go from every specialty. One day you can have OB, cardiac, wound care, detox. It's always a variety. There's never really a dull moment. It definitely keeps you up on all your nursing skills and your assessments. I've been here for almost 5 years and have enjoyed it the entire time.
We're able to do so many different things and provide so many different services for these clients and inmates and detainees, and so that's what makes it enjoyable, is because it's just there's so much that we can do here and we can provide for them. So it's new every day.
It's like a whole new world where you holistically use all of your nursing skills. So it's really a tremendous nursing job that you get to use every aspect from advocacy to wound care. It really is all around good nursing facility to work at.
I just really like the patient population is unique, the setting's unique. And we do our own lab draws, x-rays, EKGs, stuff that you normally don't get to do in a hospital setting.
I would recommend it. I feel that I get a lot of experience with the things that I went to school for here, and a lot of support from my charge nurses and upper management as well. I feel completely safe here.
Absolutely, I'd recommend it. I think it has very competitive pay, very competitive benefits. Not only that, but it's a very rewarding, fulfilling job. You just, like I said, you work with these individuals that really respect you and appreciate your care, because typically on the outs, most of our individuals don't receive much medical care, so they very much appreciate what we do, and that always makes our job very fulfilling.
It's a great atmosphere, great leadership, and just a great place to work.
I like it here because it's fun, which is something I never thought I'd say about a jail.
Visit pennco.org to apply now.